am Priscilla.
I'm Deepwi.
I'm Mizoram.
And welcome to Let's Learn Mizo. This program is organized by Mizoram Ṭhalai Kristian Pawl. Here we will be learning Mizo language in two other languages, that is in English and Hindi, which is the official language of India. In this episode, we will learn about the daily basic conversations referring to greetings. First of all, let's start with a very basic tone called hello or hi.
Namaste in Hindi.
In Mizo, Tibai.
And for a more formal greetings to our elders or our superiors, we add their designation at the end, like hello sir, hello ma'am.
Or हम हिंदी से नमस्ते सर जी, नमस्ते मैडम जी.
And in Mizo, Kapu Tibai, Kapi Tibai, Kapu Tibai, and Kapi Tibai.
So what does kapu refers to and kapi? What is kapi? Kapu.
Kapu refers to sir and Kapi refers to ma'am or miss.
Okay, now let's move on to a more formal tone of greetings called nice to meet you or nice to see you.
और आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
And we say in Mizo, Kamu Tsetu Kalom Le Mai, Kamu Tsetu Kalom Le Mai, Kamu Tsetu Kalom Le Mai.
Wait, that's rather long, so let's try once before we move on. Ka mu tsetsu kalom le mai. Okay, now let's move on to good morning.
Suprabhat.
Tuk Chua Nuam or Zinglam Tibai.
Tuk Chua Nuam or Zinglam Tibai. Next we have good afternoon and good evening.
Sub aprahan. Sub sandhya.
And in Mizo, Zomulam Tibai or Tlailam Tibai.
Can we just say Tibai for both of that?
Yeah. Afternoon means Zomu and evening means Tlai.
Okay. And next we have good night followed by sweet dreams.
और हिंदी से शुभरात्रि सुनहरा सपना.
And in Mizo, Mangcha or Mutui, Mangcha or Mutui.
I think we need to try that.
Yeah.
Right?
Mangcha or Mutui.
Mutui.
And lastly we have goodbye.
अलविदा या फिर विदाई.
Dam takin le ani o or ani le.
Now let's review what we have learned today in this episode. First, hello or hi.
Namaste.
Tibai.
Hello sir, hello ma'am, or hello miss.
Namaste sir ji. Namaste madam ji.
Kapu tibai. Kapi tibai.
Nice to meet you or nice to see you.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Kamu Tsetu Kalom Le Mai.
Good morning.
सुप्रभात.
Tuk Chua Nuam. Zinglam Tibai.
Good afternoon or good evening.
शुभ अपराह्न या शुभ संध्या.
Zomulam Tibai or Tlailam Tibai.
Good night and sweet dreams.
शुभ रात्रि या फिर सुनहरा सपना.
Mangcha Mutui.
And last we have goodbye.
अलविदा.
Dam takin le.
And that is all for this episode of Let's Learn Mizo.
Bye.